that there is a huge dam looming over their heads.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there has been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Mulholland is the villain. There's lots of other folks, including the populace of Los Angeles, who voted for the project, who overwhelmingly supported it. This is a communal effort.
The St. Francis